Well, not in the eyes of a North County man. He sees insects as art. Jeannie Rodden from our partner Channel 4 San Diego is here to show us more about what he does exactly. Jeannie?
Yeah, Catherine, when this guy sees a termite or a mosquito, he sees poetry. He looks at insects as art, something beautiful, especially when they're captured in a sticky goo called amber, which is really tree sap. Tree sap that has captured insects hundreds of millions of years old. These insects are literally stuck in time. And to Guy Iannuzzo, they all tell a story.
You see age, you see violence, you see kind of a heroic kind of thing.
Heroic because each of these insects is involved in a struggle for their lives. They somehow got trapped in amber or tree sap and became frozen in the past.
So if they're walking over a tree and they get their feet stuck, that's it.
And although it's never a happy ending for the insect, it's always a happy ending for Iannuzzo.
It's like a little movie, a little slice of a movie, a little still frame, and there's nothing like it. There's absolutely nothing like it.
Iannuzzo has a background in astrophysics, but he's also an artist. He starts with a piece of amber, clouded and uncertain. Then, with the help of two recycled microscopes, he discovers the mystery inside.
A mosquito trying to escape from the amber, and you saw the feet completely scratching away in the sack, and you could see it finally gave up. And it's kind of like an amazing little thing of heroism captured for all time in the sun.
He keeps his treasure trove of amber in these drawers, like precious and rare jewels. He gets the amber from friends, relatives, or from his own travels. Every piece not only tells a story, it also raises a question.
I have in that a bee right next to a cockroach, right next to a weevil. All 1, 2, 3, they're all there. And they're all like caught at the same time. And you wonder, what were they doing together?
Once Guy has captured the image, he shoots them at different levels of focus and then overlaps those images.
It gets sharper and sharper and sharper. And then it's actually being an artist, because in the context that I have to make judgment calls, do I want that scratch? Do I want that bubble?
And when you consider that there are more insect species than anything else in the world except bacteria, the possibilities are endless. And so is Guy's enthusiasm.
The more you get into it, the more fascinating it gets. This is one of those things that it rewards scrutiny in a way that few things do.
Revealing stories millions of years old in the body of an insect. Well, right now, Guy is just sharing his artistic photos with friends, but he says he would like to display them someday in a gallery and make really large prints that really show off the detail of these bugs.
That would be something to see. How did he even get into this, Jeannie?
You know what? It started with Jurassic Park, the movie, back in 1993. And they took the DNA from insects caught in amber to make the dinosaurs in that movie. And so that really inspired him and made him curious, and that was just the beginning.
It was the classic movie that set it all off.
Yeah.
Thanks, Jeannie.
Sure.
Well, there is a change coming to this cool weather.